What did you call that? A turning, boring, and
we call it turning, boring, milling unit, TBM.
And what is the milling capability on it? I mean, is it as good as a machining centre, if not better?
It's for sure as good as a machining centre, or even better. A great, one of the biggest benefits of our milling unit is this unit is not driven, it has no built-in drive, it has an external drive sitting right on top of this milling head, and so we can gain more power even at lower rests, and we have at the same time more torque due to the ratio of a gear.
And we're talking very high RPM there, so presumably we're coming right back on our AE on the step over.
Yeah, absolutely. We can operate up to around a 4-5% as a maximum. You know, we see a real advantage when we're looking at 1%. You know, that's when we can really see an advantage getting that metal removal rate and operating at the 230. We do have to back it off a little bit as we start to bigger engagement. So it's really important to try and get that balance between, you know, the radial engagement, but also the VC that we're trying to operate at.
Well, this is why 0 Point is here today. The reason number one is automation. We have achieved light out manufacturing on very tight tolerances on large parts already with another machine which has an 18 pallet. And this one here is what we are trying to do on a far larger scale. And for that, 0 Point, I think, is very well placed in the marketplace.
We've got loads of machines on show here, Rowan. I like the VMX60i. It shows how big this machine is. We've got a full 5th axis rotary table on here, nice big envelope, and we've also got the lathe. So not only are we looking at milling machines, but Hurco now supply a full range of lathes. Got a nice hydro feed bar feeder on this particular model here, the TM10i, the TM8MI, so loads of machines to look at. And so then when you bought the business then, and you mentioned that you had no work at the time, how did you change that?
We just proactive when looking for new customers. We found new customers and new customers come looking for us.
And what's your experience with Star's sliding head lathes?
I think they're very good machines. They're very reliable. What else can I say?
And just take a look at the table. All these are productivity improving products. Mark, just talk us through some, please.
Yeah, so I mean, we're a contracting company and we mainly contract to large multinational organisations, oil and gas, diesel systems, medical.
A multi-million pound manufacturing facility in the UK. What do you make?
We work in multiple different industries. So we work in the food industry, we work in the automotive, telecommunications, construction. It's very varied.
It was my father that set it up, making jet wash hoses, would you believe, on how to wash cars. Then we progressed into electronic cable assemblies, how we put wires inside of hoses, would you believe, to protect them for the mining industry. And then fast forward quite a number of years, we started to develop our own products. And I think this is where the journey for us started to come on the CNC, was that we were starting to design products for ourselves rather than on other people. And then we had this reliance, should we say, on other people to manufacture the sub-components of the stuff that we were using.
I think that the one good thing the open house is very, very good for is showing off Fanuc products. And one thing that's key, especially in our industry, is how quick technology moves on. So even kind of industry experts will still learn something.
Yeah, so I'll be at the open house showing off the RoboPod, showing off what it can do, along with my colleagues as well. And we hope for everyone to come and have a look, you know, get outside, come here to the Fanuc open house, see our RoboPod in action, and just really get a feel for it up close and personal.
If you didn't get a chance to come and see us at EMO, this is a great opportunity to come and see our newest Delta robot in action and have a look at some of the intelligent robot options which are interfaced with it.
The open house is about the future of automation. The Fanuc products, you know, they speak for themselves in the number of installations, but what we're going to be showing are some of the and machine handling and automation systems that are in the market, from the very entry level right through to the bespoke custom cells.
So our open house event will run from the 1st to the 5th of November, that's Monday to Friday. The Monday and Friday are going to be open days, so you can look around our exhibitions, our showroom area, and then the Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday will be more focused, and this area that we're in at the moment is going to be transformed into our main stage, so you'll be able to see keynote speeches, panel discussions. We'll have people such as Tom Boucher, our Managing Director, we'll have Mike Sykes from Mazak, various members from the MTC on our stage speaking about the future of automation. So the Tuesday we're going to have a much bigger focus on automation and the outlook of UK manufacturing. On the Wednesday we'll be focusing on business training apprenticeships. So we'll have our PTS team, our parts training and service department will be available for you to speak to. And then on the Thursday we're going to have a focus on Industry 4.0 and IoT. So if you're interested in the future of automation, then this event can't be missed.